guys. Right here at Ranmotso Jewelry. So we buy earrings at the shop. Wow. Yeah. Taran. Thank you. So, paano ba yan? Yan, guys. Hi, brother. Brother. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi.
We have a vlog. YouTube. Yes.
Working at Copenhagen.
Yes. Isabella. Company.
What's the company?
Isabella.
The
Company. Saks Company. Oo, Saks Company. Okay na?
today. Oh,
No. We have no overtime.
No overtime.
2 to
2 to 10, 3 shifts. Because no 1 month no overtime.
Okay. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Ayan, ang aking binilhan. Guys, nakabili na kami ng earrings. So thankful. Thank you, mahal. I love you.
Happy anniversary. That's right.
Happy anniversary, mahal.
Now we're going to KFC.
Hello guys, nandito kami sa KFC again and again. Sa KFC. Dito kami magse-celebrate daw ng aming first anniversary. Hello guys, good morning. So, I'm happy today. We are happy today because it's our first anniversary. So, we are here at KFC to celebrate our first anniversary. So, good morning guys. Welcome back to our channel. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello guys, good morning. We are here at KFC Negombo to celebrate our first year anniversary. Anniversary man. So, I hope more anniversaries to come with us. And thank you, mahal, for coming into my life. Guys, my order is waiting, not coming yet, and my partner also are going to washroom. Maybe she's suffering again, belly pain. Maybe she's coming. I hope she will be okay. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. What? LDM or what? Belly pain? I hope you're really okay. I'm reducing carbohydrates. Are you happy? Yes. I'm so happy very much. I love you.
Love you too. Question. What happened for 1 year? Is she happy or not? What?
I'm so happy and I'm so lucky
Why?
because you come into my life. Charot.
We are waiting. So, we talk about what happened for past 1 year to us.
So guys, our love team, our relation is not expected.
Yes.
We struggle how many months before our situation is okay.
We became friends first.
Yes.
For how many months we became friends. And after a few months, because more problem coming, more intrigues of, same as showbiz. More issue. But that issue is not true. Issue only. So we decided to, why not? We give the chance, the two of us, if our relationship is not okay or not, so we decided to
Become one. To be part of our life.
so last year April 28, finally
We are together.
we fight those struggles and problems we encounter in our everyday lives.
We are living happy now.
We're not perfect, but if she's angry, I'm quiet. If I'm angry,
I'm
quiet
quiet
also.
also.
so let's talk, no fighting.
I could say that I'm happy and I'm contented with my partner.
Same as you.
Because everything is okay even if a problem comes. But we can fight.
We can survive all those trials we encountered.
We can fight as one.
Enjoyed going to restaurant. She want and she like always going.
Yeah, I'm happy.
KFC,
eating,
Burger King,
Eating outside.
the same as mine. That's why our relationship is more than okay. Yeah. Because we are same or we are compatible to each other.
Yes, true.
You know, you're so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Not today, every day.
Very much thank you. I know you're hungry. That's right. You thank Sri Lanka.
But I thank you first. And also
Welcome.
thank you Sri Lanka because I find the girl beside me who captivated my heart,
Really?
catching my heart, and she stole my heart.
The only
Yeah,
one.
really, the only one ba? By the way, thank you, Mahal, for coming into my life, for sharing your life with me. I'm so blessed and thankful to you.
I'm thankful also that God give me you. Wow.
Bulera.
And July is so good to me. She's so in love with me. She feel the same
5 dito. So here we are guys, after a long waiting, maybe 20 minutes. She's putting like this one.
Take away.
Take away. That's right. So no problem. Just eat na mahal ko. We're eating na guys. So, thanks. Dami chicken ah. Oh, I know wings is your favorite.
It's my
And
favorite.
pie is my favorite. So, come na guys. Wait na, happy anniversary mahal ko.
Happy anniversary.
Yes. Okay.
Come guys, let's eat. So guys, I'm so thankful because July is with me. I'm thankful not only for material things or financial or only for food, but I'm thankful because I have buddy, I have friend like that.
You have chef. You have
And
nanny.
no,
You have
that's the part of our love life.
you have a
like
washing
that.
machine.
No, I'm not joking. I'm just thankful to God that I have you. Everything is good. Everything is okay. And I know if have problems come, I know that you'll always be with me. Thank you. I love you so much.
Love you more.
Happy anniversary.
Anniversary.
More years to come.
Before we end this video, I just wanna thank you to all my friends who always be there for us.
Yes, thank you.
We are not mentioning one by one. You know who you are. Thank you. Thank you for all your support, love, and what.
Understanding.
Thank you, thank you.
Finish. So we are going. Hi guys, here at the Choice. We're here in the Choice Golden Puff. So we buy cake because July want to eat cake for our first anniversary.
Yes, putting name happy anniversary. No.
We're buying cake.
More space. This is space. This?
Yeah.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
choice. Cake company. Kailan sa mga. Come na.
Let's see.
Hindi ko naging cake.
Wala tayong biko.
Biko.
Nasa si Marit? Ay, si...
Si Marco. Ayan, picture na yan. Pinicturean niya na yata.
Finish, ano na yan? Nagulong na yan.
Pag-ibig nila, gagawa na. Lambot ay.
Ay, da!
Dali ka na.
Yes! Happy anniversary!
Ano ba yan?
Thank you! Wala kang kanta, tapos
Yeah.
ano na? Hindi naman
May kanta ba ang anniversary?
Happy anniversary, ganon.
Oo nga pala, wala pala yung kanta. Nakakain lang po kasi naliligo na po.
Kaya nga eh, may patay! Nasa si
Happy
Ellen.
anniversary. Happy anniversary sa ila.
Ha? Nasa si Ellen.
Tulog ka. Bago gumalong na. Ito dadalhin ko na.
May angkas na. Wala ka
Ano
sa
ba to?
pam.
Asa Joy? Sa pag walang ano, wala pang gawa.
Yung ano, malapit sa Pizza Hut.
Mahal, this is for you.
This for me, take off. That's it, guys.
Wait po. Joy.
Ano dito?
Wala kang choice.
Wala kang choice.
Pag wala kang choice, mag-choice ka.
Wala kang kayon.
Eat na.
Ayun, ganun mo.
Kain na mahal.
Ano sa likod?
Kain na mahal, masarap.
Tulog.
Kaya nga sabi yun. Ayun. Ang lamig. Ba't ano lang paano?
Masarap.
Kapag kasi wala.
Ay, may camera pala.
Maliliit lang po yung biko. Bukas pa po yung
Ayun pa po yun sa amin.
May asukal akong pula doon. Wala ka asukal pula.
Dahil bibigyan lang po kami. Salamat sa cake.
cake.
You're welcome!
Bye. Party na po.
Sana ako ng anniversary.
Hindi ako makakakain.
Okay lang yan, wala ka pa ng baso. So guys, it's our first anniversary. We want to and we would love to share with you. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary!
Sana all! Lahat ng lockdown naranasan na namin dito. Kain ba?
Pinapag-receive na.
Oo.
Thank you for celebrating with us.
Thank you so much.
More anniversaries to come, guys.
Happy anniversary! Thank you everyone. Keep safe. Bye-bye!
Bye.